Hi nail friends and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I created this beautiful color block dip powder nail design using AZURE Beauty dip powders. If you're new to my channel, I'm Cherael, bringing you the best tips and tricks for making your nails look beautiful and fabulously done at home. For more content just like this, make sure to subscribe and click on the bell so you won't miss any of my videos. The products I'll be using today are Pro Dip Clear Dip Powder, Cherael Sky Dark Pink, and AZURE Beauty Pink, Yellow, and Blue Dip Powder. So I've already applied my tips and buffed my nails, and now I'm just applying Cherael Sky Bond to dehydrate my nails. Now I'm applying base to half of the nail and then dipping it into the clear dip powder. Then I apply base to the whole nail and then dip it into clear dip powder. This acts as a foundation for building my nails, and it's also an optional step. I just like doing it. So now on the pinky nail, I'm applying base to the whole nail. And I'm doing a color block side French nail. So the 3 AZURE Beauty dip powders would be at the tip of the nail in a color block format. I was kind of trying to figure out what I was going to do and how I was going to do the color block here. That's why I'm kind of looking like if I don't know how to place my finger, and that's why I was kind of winging it. And sometimes I like to do that because you know, it's kind of like a surprise. It could end up so good and then yet it could end up a disaster, and that's a big surprise. Which one will it be? Yeah, so sometimes I like to wing it. I'm not always sure how I'm going to do a design or what type of style I'm going to do, and sometimes it comes out good and sometimes it does not, but it's always a surprise. And I did 3 layers of that, but I only showed 2 layers of it. This design made me think of cotton candy. Could be the pink dip powder, but it's such a carnival theme nail inspiration to me. I find it looks like that, and it's perfect for the spring and even the summer. The colors are bright but still not super bright, and the glitter is really gorgeous. The only thing is that it runs on the other colors, so if you're using it with the yellow like I am doing, you can be in danger. So keep that in mind, okay? Also, I don't think I mentioned that I'm using Cherael Sky Dark Pink on the nail bed area. Now on the ring finger, I'm doing a color block design. Nothing special, I just went with the flow. I didn't know what I was trying to do. Sometimes you need to just go with the flow of how you're feeling. It brings out nice designs sometimes. So I did 3 layers, but I only showed 2 layers. And always remember, it's all about how you angle your hand in the dip powder in order for you to achieve whatever design you want. And also move slowly when you're doing it, but not too slow because the base could dry on you. But move slow enough so that when you put your hand in the dip powder, it would go in the direction you want it to go, because if you don't, then that would be a problem. If you're getting value from this video, click the like button down below, and don't forget to comment your thoughts on the video as well. Like and comment, guys. Now on the middle finger, I'm doing a chevron moon design. So using the pink as the nail tip color and angling my hand to achieve the design. I did 3 layers, but I only showed 2. Originally, I did the tip area yellow, which was a mistake because of the fact that the glitter runs on light colors. I thought I could mask it, but it didn't work. I also did over the index finger as well because I did a design, encapsulated the design, activated the design, only to realize I didn't like the design. It was lame, so I did it over also. So what y'all are seeing here is the design that I did over. When I reached encapsulating the nails, I would be showing myself encapsulating the pinky and the ring, and you may see a clip of the old design on my index and middle finger, so don't be alarmed. And then when I am encapsulating the do-over index and middle finger, you may see that the ring and the pinky nail are already filed. Yes, I realized I didn't like it when I already encapsulated the nails and placed activator on it and started to file it. So when I was filing, I realized, I don't like this. So I decided to take it off. Now on the index finger, which is another do-over finger, I'm just applying base, and I did a somewhat simple color block nail design. I really like this one compared to the other one I did. I wasn't feeling it at all. So I'm just going to stay quiet and let you guys see what I'm doing. So do you guys see the nicely filed and shaped thumbnail right there? Now, if I decided not to tell you all the truth, I'm bound to get catch. Damn. But don't worry, I will always say the truth, okay guys? What's the sense of lying about nails? That makes no sense. It's just nails, guys. Now, onto the thumb, I did a simple color block nail design. This blue glitter is so gorgeous, and when I placed the top coat on it, it came to life. Wow! I want to use this glitter again on another design. I might try it again also. It's how I angle my hand I'm able to achieve this design, and I did 3 layers of this. Then I encapsulated the nails. I did 2 layers, but I only showed 1. So I showed myself encapsulating the pinky and the ring finger from the previous design, and y'all could still see the old design on my middle finger right there. It looked good, you know, it's just that the blue was bleeding a lot on the yellow. And then I showed myself encapsulating from when I redesigned the middle and index finger, and as you can see, the ring finger is already filed nicely, I may add. Then I applied activator and waited a while, then began filing. So this is the first design. Now this is the redesign. First design, redesign. Now this is after filing and buffing of all of the nails. Now decisions. Which top coat should I choose? Well, I chose the Model 1's top coat. And since I chose that top coat, I do not have to apply activator. However, if I wanted to use the powder top coat, I would have to use activator and wait a while, then go in with 2 layers of the powder top coat. I always like to say this because, you know, sometimes people are new to the powders. So I say this all the time because you never know who could be watching the video. Not everyone is advanced. So I just like to say that all of the time. So some people may or may not get annoyed by me saying it all the time. But you never know, you know, some people don't know. So, you know, just let them know. Knowledge is power, okay guys? Anyway, after I waited for it to cool down, I applied cuticle oil. So if you like this video, you're going to want to check out my other videos on the powder. Click the videos you see on the screen and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys!